boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about telling time, and I know you started to learn telling time in first grade and in second grade, but we're going to learn how to tell time so that when you look at a watch, right away you can tell someone what time it is. So we'll start first by talking about the hands of the clock. You usually have two hands. Sometimes a clock will have a third hand, and that's for seconds. How many seconds are in a minute? Do you know that? Think hard. Say it out loud. You're right. 60 seconds are in a minute, and 60 minutes are in 1 hour. Did you know that already? Okay, so let's talk about the two hands you have on every clock. Now, this is how I tell my students to remember which hand is which, because that can be hard. You can forget very easily. The short hand is for hours. I'm going to write it in there. And the long hand is for the minutes. And the way that I try to remember this is that the word minute is long and the word hour is short. And so hour hand is the short one and the minute hand is the long one. So you might also have learned about how to read this clock in the correct way. So our hour hand, if it is on, directly on a number, it's that time, 4 o'clock. When your minute hand up here moves, do you know how many minutes we count by for each number? Say it out loud. You're right, 5 minutes. So when we start here, this would be 4 o'clock, 4:05, 4:10, 4:15, 4:20, 4:25, 4:30, 4:35, 4:40, 4:45, 4:50, 4:55, and can you guess what time it is now? Look at where that hour hand is. It's directly on the 5, and your minute hand's up top. That means it's 5 o'clock. We'll be doing some more work with the clock later on.